What's up, guys? I know I haven't posted in a while. That's because I started a new job and they've been working me like crazy. But anyway, so there's a trail that's by where I live at that's supposed to lead to like an abandoned train station. And so at nighttime it's supposed to be like haunted and shit's supposed to be happening. So I'm doing what any Hispanic would do, exploring it in the daytime. So this is the trail. Apparently under here it gets crazy at nighttime and pitch black, and I posted a couple of snaps about it. But if I keep walking, it's gonna lead me to like this abandoned train station with a bunch of train carts and stuff. So hope I don't die. Alright, nothing so far. I've been walking for like a whole 5 minutes. Let's see what's over there. So I found some train tracks and it leads to there. I don't know if I can go in there, but I'm gonna see if I can. Yep, it's blocked off. I really wish I could have gone there because I hear a lot of shit going on in there. Do you guys hear it? What's in there though? I don't know. Looks like it used to be like a train stop or something. I don't know. This place has a lot of like train history. Looks like there are trains over here. Of course I can't get in, it's fucking blocked off. Was gonna hop over the fence, but Pennsylvania don't play, you know? So I was looking for a way to get in, right? Because the trains are right there. Like, I just want to jump on one and take a few pictures and stuff. And then I passed by an area that has like more security cameras than the fucking CIA. So that's not happening. Whoa, look what I found. This is nice. I don't know where am I, but this is nice. There's like a nest up there. It's a big ass nest. Big Bird's up there. Yo, can you tell me how to get to Sesame Street? I don't know what this is, but it looks abandoned too. My dumb ass is not going up there. Probably at nighttime. Nature has taken over this. Alright, I found my way in. Let's hope I don't get caught. Alright. Let's do this. Alright, I'm in. Let's hope I don't get caught. Furthest I'm going because I'm not trying to get caught. Alright, so I started walking on top of the train and then saw like 3 people, guards or workers, so I booked it. I ended up fucking cutting myself. Was it worth it? Yeah. Now it's probably easier to do it at nighttime, considering the fact how, like, you know, you can't see nothing. But daytime is kind of obvious. So my point is that I didn't want to come and walk this whole trail by myself at nighttime, because I'm Hispanic and I have common sense, and guns illegal over here. So yeah. Alright, so the trail just leads to like this mill factory or some shit over there. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. So yeah, so that's the end of the pathway. Remember, if you get 100 likes on this video, just, you know, click it 100 times if you can. I'll come back at 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 a.m., you know, when the devil roams the earth. I'll do the dark tunnel. I'll go back to the train, take some more videos and stuff, see if I can sneak my way around in there. And I'll climb that abandoned watchtower, I guess that's what it is, that has all the, I don't know, like a birdhouse or some shit. Big Bird lives up there. So yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms, and that's it. Good luck, Charlie.